How to fix temporarily restricted Twitter. So if you want to fix your temporarily restricted Twitter problem, then first you need to wait for 24 hours. So if you have been restricted from Twitter, then the first thing you need to do is you need to simply wait for 24 hours, and after waiting for 24 hours, go back and use your Twitter application or your Twitter account, and then your problem will be solved. But even after 24 hours, if your problem didn't solve, then you can simply open up your settings and then scroll down and go for apps. And under your apps, you can simply go for see all apps and go for the search icon, which is on the upper right, and search for X. And then open up your Twitter application and go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that and then open up your Play Store or your App Store and go for the search icon or the search bar and then search for Twitter. Or you can also search for X. And here you will have an update option. So if you have an update option, simply tap on update and update your Twitter application. And once you've updated, now your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your Twitter problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.